two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. The man who asks a question is a fool for a minute, but the man who does not ask any question is a fool for life. Before you assume anything, try the crazy method of asking. Questioning in everyday life, to people and to ourselves. Why is it important? Questioning is a key skill in a communication. It helps to maintain a conversation. It helps to discover our way of thinking. It helps to discover new dimensions, new directions in life. It helps us to know people better. It gives us an incentive to learn, to obtain information. It helps us to put things together. It helps us, in fact, to succeed in life. It helps us to resolve issues. It helps us to know people better. Great historical discoveries occurred because of some fearless individuals who were driven by questions. Take the example of Wright brothers. They asked, what if we could fly? Isaac Newton, what caused the apple to fall down? Edison, he asked himself, is there any other way to light up the houses of the people besides candles? And they got the answers. They made discoveries. Since our brain is a versatile device, it loves to brainstorm, to analyze, to observe things, and mind is a natural problem solver. In day-to-day life, we should question everything we read, we see, we listen, we feel. Why don't we question? It's not about the question to just question people. It's about self-questioning also. It shows the mindset of an individual when he questions himself. जब हम अपने आप से सवाल करते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है हम किस वे में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं लाइफ में, या हमारी मेंटल स्थिति क्या है, हम अपने आप को कितना जानते हैं और लोगों को कितना जानते हैं, चीज़ों को कैसे समझते हैं, कड़ियों को कैसे जोड़ते हैं. हमें पता चलता है, हमारा खुद का माइंडसेट हमें पता चलता है जब हम खुद से क्वेश्चन करते हैं. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम देखा गया है, पीपल दे डोंट क्वेश्चन देमसेल्व्स, दे फियर टू क्वेश्चन पीपल. It is because of several reasons. They don't ask why, where, how, who, when. They don't ask. They don't dare to ask questions. It is because since childhood, parents refuse, or parents instill in the children that it's wrong to disobey the authorities, especially the teachers, elders, superiors. It's wrong to disobey them and not to question them, since elders or authorities, they know everything. They have access to information. we don't have. So whatever they say is right. Just accept that. And a child, he gets into the habit of accepting everything without questioning why, how, when, where, who. He does not question. He stops questioning. That passion of questioning or that curiosity withers away. वो बिल्कुल सवाल करना बंद कर देता है एक बच्चा जब उसके पेरेंट्स कहते हैं बड़ों को क्वेश्चन नहीं करना है, बड़ों को ओबे करना है, डिसओबे नहीं करना है. इफ यू आस्क क्वेश्चन, दैट इज डिसओबीडियंस. So that fear is instilled in our children by our elders. The child stops asking questions, and as he grows into an adult, जैसे ही वो बड़े होते हैं, they just know how to just take up a career, earn money. They do not know how to make a difference in their lives, or difference in the lives of the people. They do not know how to contribute towards the betterment of the world or the society. They are just able to look after themselves. That's it. It is because उनके दिलों में ये डर डाल चुके हैं हम कि डिसओबे करना या बड़ों को क्वेश्चन करना ये एक बुरी बात है. It is a sort of being disrespectful to the elders. बड़ों को की इज्जत करना ही सब कुछ है. इज्जत करो, बट अगर आपके कुछ सवाल है तो वो सवाल पूछना भी जायज है. That is not wrong. But in our Indian society, we feel कि this is wrong. We don't question the teachers. Children, they fear questioning the teachers. Why? They have the fear. Either they'll be ridiculed, मजाक उड़ाया जाएगा, या वो टीचर इग्नोर कर देगी, या टीचर उसको बुली करेगी. उसके काफ़ी सारे उसके फियर डेवलप हो जाते हैं. बचपन से ही उसके अंदर हम ये डाल देते हैं कि क्वेश्चनिंग इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग टू डू. जैसे जो आपको फैक्ट्स मिल रहे हैं वो उसको एक्सेप्ट करो और लाइफ में आगे बढ़ो. और ये चीज शुरू होती है बचपन से और चलती जाती है. हम ये बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन नहीं करते हैं कि हमने आगे हम अपनी लाइफ को कैसे एनरिच कर सकते हैं, कैसे लाइफ को सुंदर बना सकते हैं, या क्या चैलेंजेस हैं लाइफ में, या कुछ फॉल्टी सिस्टम देखते हैं तो हम क्वेश्चन नहीं करते. Now, apart from questioning, let us come to self-questioning. Do we self-question ourselves? क्या हम पूछते हैं अपने आप से कि आज का दिन हम कैसे बिताएंगे, या आज हमने ऐसा क्या किया, क्या ऐसा फ्रूटफुल काम किया जो किसी के हेल्प में आए, या हमने किसी की लाइफ में एक डिफरेंस लेके आए हैं, या अपनी लाइफ को मीनिंगफुल बनाने के लिए क्या किया. डिड वी डू एनीथिंग फ्रूटफुल और एनी प्रोग्रेस टुवर्ड्स आवर गोल. डू यू क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ इन एवरीडे लाइफ कि आपके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, फ्रेंड सर्कल है, जहाँ आप उठते बैठते हैं, क्या वो वैल्यू करते हैं आपकी फ्रेंडशिप? क्या उनका फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट है या ग्रोथ माइंडसेट है, या आपको और ही नीचे गिरा रहे हैं, या आपकी ग्रोथ हो रही है उनकी कंपनी में रह के? आप अपने आप से पूछिए. दिस इज सेल्फ क्वेश्चनिंग. क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ एवरी डे कि आज का दिन मैंने फ्रूटफुल कैसे करना है, आज मैंने क्या करना है अपनी लाइफ को और बेहतर बनाने में। It's a very frightening nature of human beings have been observed कि इंसान जो हैं they blindly follow the authority, they blindly follow the command of the authority. बॉस ने अगर कुछ काम सौंप दिया है या कोई जिम्मेवारी ऐसी सौंप दी है which is against your morals, personal morals or values, or against your conscience, but still you do that. Why? Because you do not want to hurt your boss, or you do not want to lose your job. So you blindly follow the authority, their commands, whatever they give you. And adults have the tendency to go to any extent, to any length, to follow the command of the authorities or people in higher position. And this turmoil which they carry inside their hearts, it is always there. It does not come out because they fear so much. Remember, what we permit, we promote. A movement cannot be successful if only the leader leads the movement. It becomes successful with the followers. So आपके हाथ में सब कुछ है, आप कैसे कर सकते हो, कैसे आवाज उठा सकते हो, क्या क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो, बट आप नहीं करते. Even if you see any injustice being done or any faulty system in any organization, you don't raise a voice. Why? Because you fear. That is why questioning is very, very imperative in today's scenario. If you don't question, what will you instill in your children? What sort of adults will they become when they grow up? Then we accuse the system. Why? You empower a group of individuals to become so powerful that they treat you the way you wish to be treated by them. Why can't you become united if you are so fearful about anything? Why can't you take the support of people in raising your voice, in questioning people? If you and me, if we don't, then who will question people? Who will question the faulty system? Who will question the faulty system everywhere, whether it is in the field of education, whether law, whether police department, whether in day-to-day life? If we don't have the guts to question, but this audacity or this strength will come only when you first question yourself. Self-questioning is more important. First, try to bring clarity in your thoughts. Where are you proceeding in life? If you don't observe your actions in everyday life, so how will you observe the action of others? And what will you instill in your children? What sort of citizens are you going to prepare for tomorrow? Ask yourself, dear friends, if me and you, if we don't question, then who will question? Thank you.